In today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the S&P 500 futures as they're moving to new all-time highs today. S&P 500 futures up just under 0.75% today, and today's price action has the futures market trading currently at 49.52, just off the intraday highs, and that is going to mean there's going to be a new closing high in today's price action. And when you look at some of the driving factors, really a couple things here throughout the day that appear to have influenced the markets. Now, initially we came in to today's price action pretty flat on the day, really across the board in all the major equity index futures markets. But then as we moved through the morning and into the afternoon, momentum continued to build to the upside. And I think there's a couple things here. Number one, oil reversed after hitting nearly $79 early in the session to trade lower by over $1 as we moved through today. So I think that alleviated some possible concerns about pricing pressure there as crude was pushing up to a multi-month high. The other thing I think probably just as influential was the reduction in rates today. We did see interest rates come under some pressure from the short dated all the way out to the 30-year, 2-year, all the way out to the 30 years. Some pretty good higher price action in those treasury markets today. And with that, moving those yields down anywhere from 6 to 8 basis points. And I think that that's another catalyst today as to why we did see the equity markets catch a bid here throughout the day. And looking at today's trends, really you're looking at the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the S&P all going to new all-time closing highs today, and up anywhere from 0.5% to 1% depending on the futures market. Now, the big gainer today was the Russell futures, up about 1.75%. So again, relative strength, the Russell futures showed some pretty good strength there today. But overall, still lagging the other major equity index futures markets, with the S&P 500 future up about 0.75% today and making a new all-time closing high.